Salutation to all. January 26th, which is marked as Indian Republic Day, is a prominent national festival celebrated every year to commemorate the day when the Constitution came into effect back in 1950. What is the importance of this day and why it is celebrated on January 26th? It was on this day 71 years ago the Indian Constitution came into force and the country was declared the largest democracy in the world. Before 200 years of British rule, when India gained independence from the United Kingdom on August 15, 1947, it didn't have a permanent constitution of its own. So all the higher officials were feeling that a written constitution would help to run the country more systematically. And for that, a drafting committee was constituted, headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It took almost 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days for the committee to draft the constitution. After making all the necessary changes, it was formally adopted on November 26, 1949 by the Constituent Assembly of India. But it came into force on January 26, 1950. And since that day, India started celebrating January 26 as Republic Day. There is a story why it was chosen on January 26th to be the Republic Day. Because it marks the anniversary of Purna Swaraj Day, which was held on January 26, 1930. The Purna Swaraj resolution made on January 26, 1930 called for complete freedom from the British rule.